everywhere. That you are a slave, Neo. Like everyone else, you were born into bondage. Born into a prison that you cannot smell or taste or touch. A prison for your mind. You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland. And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Baby brother. You gotta pick a side. You have a choice to make. Work for me. Support. Harmony, peace. It's a lie. They gonna take everything. What do you want me to do? As long as we fight back, we got a chance. Apes, together, strong. You are impressive. You're smart as hell. You're stronger than we are. But you're taking this all much too personally.
This is why we're here. Because this little gray rock sells for 20 million a kilo. Their village happens to be resting on the richest deposit, and they need to relocate. Those savages are threatening our whole operation.
They're grown from human DNA, mixed with DNA of the natives.
Marine in an avatar body.
Well, this is your fault.
You forget what team you're playing for?
They've sent us a message that they can take whatever they want. But we will send them a message that this is our land.
Most human beings only use 10% of their brain's capacity. Imagine if we could access 100%. Interesting things begin to happen. This knowledge, you can unlock secrets that go beyond our universe. I'm not even sure that mankind is ready for it.